Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Chris. Today I'll be showing you the new car I bought. New car, well, it's new to me. The car itself is 23 years old, and this whole car cost me the same as these wheels with the correct tire pressure sensors. So yeah, let me show you around the car. It's a 2002 Mini Cooper. It's got a leather interior, a little navigation screen, 5-speed manual, and up front, let me open the bonnet. It's got a tiny little 1.6 liter engine producing 115 horsepower, but the car doesn't weigh much. It's only like 1,000 kilos. So yeah, this will be my second car slash track car, just to thrash around on the racetrack. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix a few minor issues. For instance, the valve cover. The gasket is leaking quite a bit, so the engine is quite wet on the side. Not sure if you can see it properly. And it's actually leaking oil all the way onto the exhaust manifold, which smells quite terribly. So yeah, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Change the gasket of the valve cover. And after that I'm gonna do many more modifications to the brakes, to the suspension, but I'll make separate videos on that. Getting the valve cover off is not that hard. It's just undoing all these tiny little 8mm bolts. The only tricky thing is there's 4 or 5 of these long ones, and for that you're gonna need a long 8mm socket. Without it, you're not gonna get it off. But once you have those, it's super easy. You just unplug this PCV pipe, you unplug this hose here, you take off all the cables from the coil pack, and you're good to go. So I've just undone all the bolts, and now it should be able to lift out. Alright, so after a bit of two-handed fiddling off camera, it's now ready to take off the valve cover. So here's the valve cover with the new gasket lined up next to it, just to double check everything fits. I've cleaned up the mating surfaces, so everything will be a good seal. And now it's ready to pry out the old one and put in the new one. Alright, everything's back together again. The injectors have been plugged in again. I've connected the PCV hoses, and now the final thing for me to do is to clean up the bit rusty oil pack connectors here. So yeah, once I've done that, we can fire her up again. The moment of truth. Will it fire up again? Let's see.
Please pair device.
Nice. All the lights go off. It's running again. Good. Alright, so I'll be making a series of all the modifications I do to the car. I've already ordered many parts, so the next couple of videos will come out relatively quickly. So hit the subscribe button if you want to see more.